Good morning, sir. My name is Soponio Pinumbre Jr. Today, I will recite the three sets of commandments. 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. 2. I will not pass without care and cords, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highways and signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intention. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at alcohol, playgrounds, hospital, and dangerous zone. 7. I will not be careless when crossing an intersection. 8. I do not clear my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will not slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful at the right of every driver and pedestrian. The second set of self-traveler 10 commandments of road safety from Traveler 24 hours. First, thou shalt not gaze on thy phone. 2. Thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. 4. Thou shalt not take in any chances. 5. Thou shalt not buckle up thy cage. 6. Thou shalt not drive on the bright. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep any distance. 10. Thou shalt practice patience. The last set of self-clearance 10 commandments of traffic. First, keep right. 2. Observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited parking. 4. If not in the do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule, lining up the bus stop zone. 6. Rule of prevent to untangled traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of the Pinoy driver, first come, first serve vehicle. 9. Own pedestrian. 10. The member of the International Driving Safety Reminders.